Good God, I can't believe I got grounded for giving Sarah and Julia a concussion with Dark Dry Bowser. What am I going to do now? I got it. I'm going to smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat. All right, let's go to the kitchen. All right, I'm in the kitchen. Now it's time to smash the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes! I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes! I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes! I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Yes! I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Dark Bowser, what on earth was that noise? And what happened to our refrigerator? Well, you guys are going to be so furious when I tell you, but I smashed the refrigerator with a baseball bat. Dark Bowser, what the heck is wrong with you? We can't believe you smashed our refrigerator with a baseball bat. Now our refrigerator is busted and we need a new refrigerator. Thanks to you.
That's it, young man. You are grounded until we get a new refrigerator.
Now give us your baseball bat and go to your room. Right now.
And don't come out until tomorrow morning.